This video is designed to show how you can use this website, desmos.com/calculator, to create a graph. So the first step is to click on this plus button, and you're going to want to add a table. Now this will be your data table, where you can input your X and Y values. So I can type in a number here, and when I type in these two values, all of a sudden it has now appeared as a point plotted on my graph. Now I can shift this so that it looks more like a traditional quadrant 1 graph that we would make for physics class. You would then hit enter or tab, and that would take you to the next row, and you can input the next data point, and so on and so forth. Now the next step would be to label your graph, and to do that you would go over here to the other side of the page and click on this little wrench. And when you do, that's when you can add in your labels. So since this is an example, I'm going to pretend that it's time in seconds on the x-axis and that it is position in meters on the y-axis. I can also set it so that my lowest point is the origin if I want just the grid to show what I'm looking at here. I usually put a little bit extra just so that you can clearly see like a little margin, and you can see the scale a little bit easier. Now that I've done that, I click on the wrench again, and I have my labels on my graph. I now have my points plotted, but I don't have a best fit line, and so that can be a little bit hard to draw by hand, but you can have the computer put one in by hitting the plus button again, and you're going to type in expression this time. And when you do, you're going to write the equation of a line, because this just happens to be, it looks like it's going to make a straight line. So I'm going to type in y equals mx plus b, and I want to add sliders for all. And what that does is it lets me adjust my y-intercept. So in this case it should be 0, and I can even type right here if I want to type it so that it's at a very specific spot. And my slope would be 1, and I know it's 1 because if I change it, it no longer lines up with my data points. But again, it's all there to be a slider. And so now I have my equation of a line, and that equation of a line would show me that the position is equal to 1, the slope, time multiplied by the time value plus 0. So that would give me an equation. So this is how you can use Desmos to plot data points and find a best fit line through those data points.